everyone. It's a great pleasure for me to be with all of you today evening, and I would like to thank President of Telangana Gulf Samiti, Shri Madhuji, for organizing this wonderful program. I would also like to thank Mr. Shankarji, as well as all the community leaders who are present here on the stage. The ICC President Manikantan ji, Mr. Deepak Shetty ji from ICPF, Prasad Garu, KK Garu, and all others who are present on the stage and here in the hall. It's always a great pleasure for me to come to community programs, and I try to be there as much as I possibly physically can do. First of all, June 2 जो तेलंगाना फॉर्मेशन डे है, उसके लिए मैं आप सब तेलंगाना के लोगों को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। स्टेट को बने मेरे ख्याल से 10 साल हुए हैं अभी, लेकिन उसके पीछे जो संघर्ष है वो प्रसाद गारू साहब ने बताया कि बहुत दशकों का वो संघर्ष तेलंगाना स्टेट के लिए रहा है। बट अब स्टेट है और आप सब लोग उसके प्राउड निवासी हैं, और यहाँ पे कतर में आप सब लोग हैं और आप लोग कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं नॉट ओनली फॉर कतर बल्कि अपने स्टेट के लिए और सबसे बड़ी बात भारत के लिए। सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन दिस ओकेजन। आई थिंक ऑन दीज ओकेजन्स वी शुड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर एज टू वॉट यू ऑल स्टैंड फॉर। The state of Telangana is one of the most important states. We all are important. But in Telangana especially, if we look at the industry, some of the best industry in India today is located in the state of Telangana. And that can only be with the hard-working people of that state. Whether we look at IT industry, for which Telangana is of course very famous, whether we look at pharmaceutical industry, your hospitals, defense industry in Telangana, other emerging industries including space. There are many industries, poultry for example, in which the state has done very well, and I would like to congratulate the entire state people for that. Telangana is of course also very important for agriculture, and together with agriculture for cultural inheritance that the state has, with some of the most magnificent temples as also beautiful buildings in Hyderabad. And I would like to congratulate the entire population of Telangana for that. Here in Gulf, I think, and in Qatar, I think Telangana has a special place. If you talk to any person from the Gulf, when they talk about India, 3 or 4 places that they always talk about is of course Mumbai, Kerala, and also Hyderabad. And therefore again, the state has, and all of you have a very special responsibility in terms of promoting India's relations with Qatar and with the Gulf, because they hold Hyderabad and the state in such high esteem. Of course, a large number of our workers today in the Gulf are coming from Telangana and from Andhra, the Telugu speaking people, and that also keeps your state in a very important area insofar as India's relations with the Gulf and Qatar are concerned. As Prasad Saab said, Telangana Gulf Samiti is I think about 14-15 years old, and there are other community organizations which are a bit older, and there are 4 or 5 now. I was happy to come for a function of Andhra Kalavedika here about 10 months back. लेकिन जितने कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो सकते हैं, एज एन एम्बेसडर आई वुड से कि उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। भारत की जो विविधता है, द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ इंडिया, आई थिंक इट्स रिफ्लेक्टेड इन द नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस दैट वी हैव, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम all the community organizations, whether it be on the socio-cultural side or whether it be on the benevolent side. I think all of them are very, very important because ultimately the embassy has a set number of officers. It will not be possible for the embassy to reach out into the entire community, and all the social organizations, जितने भी social organizations हमारे हैं, उन सब का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल रहता है हमारे जितने लोग हैं उन तक पहुंचने में। तरह तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स लोगों को आती हैं और उसके लिए लोगों को पता नहीं चलता कि एम्बेसी में किस तरीके से पहुंचा जाए, और उसमें जो हमारे कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं वो एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं। मेरी तरफ से आप लोगों को हमेशा ये मैसेज रहेगा कि जैसे भी हो एम्बेसी से कनेक्टेड रहें। डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन तो है और कम्युनिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के थ्रू जो कनेक्ट रहता है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। एंड आई थिंक इन दैट रिगार्ड तेलंगाना गर्ल समिति plays a very important role. They have done wonderfully well over the past more than 1 decade in terms of organizing various medical camps, blood donation camps, socio-cultural events like on Iftar or on other festivals. And I think that is very, very important in keeping the entire Telangana community together, the entire Telugu speaking community together, and then also the entire Indian community gets involved in all these programs. I would end here, but once again, I would like to congratulate Telangana Girl Samiti for all its work and all of you on the Telangana Formation Day. Please keep connected with the community, with our embassy, and I wish all of you a happy Eid which is coming up, and best wishes from my side. Thank you very much, everyone.
Sir, your presence here today has added immense